I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's 30 degrees last night. Came out to move the tractor and the tractor battery is low. Not dead, but low. So I'm going to put it in on the charger and recharge it before it gets any lower. Then I have this extra battery here from the Cub Cadet that my neighbor gave me. And that battery is new. She bought the Cub Cadet in the spring and the motor blew out. Well, you saw the motor blowing out. I had to start the whole process of gutting the lawnmower and taking the pieces off that I wanted. Which, by the way, I thought I would sell the deck pretty quickly. No takers. Everybody wants the price to drop down. And I don't have a problem with dropping the price. I just don't want to give it away. So I'm going to hook up a battery maintaining station over here with a charger and a battery maintainer so that I can keep my batteries up to snuff and not have to worry about them getting run down too far in the cold weather. There we go. Get that over so I don't tangle my feet in it. Now, tractor battery's pulling 3 amps, which means it was pretty low. Float charger's lit. That means this battery is charging up. I have another one in the mower that's up in the garage, but I have another battery maintainer that I'm going to take up to the garage, plug the mower in, so I've got the mower taken care of. Now the snowblower is going to go up to the garage too, but the snowblower doesn't have a battery in it. It's got a 110 volt starter on it, so that's a plug-in. This will be a nice thing. It'll take care of a problem that I might have and make it so that I do not have to worry about it. Okay, back up the truck to the door, start unloading stuff. Chimney for the wood stove. These are all things that are going to get put on the shelf. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to sort them as I do it. At least not 100%. There'll be some grouping. I'm bringing the wire welder out here too. Just constant cleaning. This is the heaviest thing that I'm lifting today. And I'm only taking it that far. I need to make chimney supports. And I'm going to be using this stuff for it. piece of bar stock to work on the rivet forge. And cross braces for the shelves. Well, that's the batteries protected out in the workshop. I need to take the battery maintainer up to the garage and plug in that one for the lawnmower. But that's pretty much me being done out here in the workshop. I did want to show you something though. You might recognize that. That's the grindstone that I was working so hard on. And a piece of the frame that it sits in. With the shelves assembled, and ready to be loaded, I can take all the stuff off of this bench and off the radial arm saw. Move the radial arm saw back where it belongs, back there. But I need to wait a little bit before I do that because I'm just over having my back hurt from moving the radial arm saw last time. So I made a promise to myself not to hurt myself until I get things going a little better. Actually, never hurt myself at all. And it's always a situation where you're trying to do as much as you can without causing any problem for yourself or others. When I'm hurt, there's problems for others. So I can't get hurt. I need to be able to take care of things. Lydia's getting up and walking around a little bit better now. I think we're going to start backing off on the meds, take care of the pain. At least that's the thinking at this point. It's always up to her to depend on how much she wants to take back or how much she wants to go back. But she's not hurting. And that's a big plus. So, I'm going to grab up that other battery maintainer, put it in the back of the truck, and then go up to the garage. Be nice to get the truck inside. It's been sitting out now for about a month. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.